Are Macs really cheaper than PCs? Shock, Apple computer systems are cheaper to purchase and use within the office than PCs. In line with a new study by Forrester, PDF, Macs work out cheaper over their lifetime. The acquisition worth could, or could not, see under, be larger than shopping for PCs, however after you pay for assist, safety, and software program, Apple Gear begins to appear to be a cut price. After which it is only a lot much less trouble. The issue? Apple commissioned this examine. Nonetheless, the declare has a hoop of fact, so we requested a number of enterprise house owners about their expertise with Apple versus PCs. Spoiler alert, the findings of the Apple-funded examine are right. Apple, hardware, appears to be like costly. If I purchase a PC-based laptop computer, pound for pound, on paper, I get much more for my cash. Paul Walker, founding father of UK video manufacturing enterprise FNX Media, informed LifeWire through email. Nonetheless, I run a small enterprise, and the truth is once I take note of the entire bundle, for a small enterprise proprietor within the video enterprise, Apple merchandise price approach lower than the competitors. And for my enterprise, this whole price of possession is completely crucial in my selection of Apple merchandise. Not low cost. The primary part of shopping for a PC is the acquisition worth. Like for like, Macs are not any dearer than equal PCs. It's simply that Apple doesn't go close to the low finish. So, whereas, for instance, Dell would possibly knock out an affordable laptop computer for a number of $100, Apple doesn't do this. For my enterprise, this whole price of possession is completely crucial in my selection of Apple merchandise. MacBooks begin at $999. This makes MacBooks seem costly, however when you examine them to $999 Dells, they arrive out on high, particularly now that they run speedy, power-sipping Apple Silicon chips. Due to these M1 chips, and fairly wholesome specs for the entry-level fashions, organizations can deploy these $999 MacBook Airs as a substitute of springing for equal however dearer PCs. Macs last more, too. I've an outdated iMac from 2010 that's nonetheless going robust. Many of us hand down their outdated MacBooks to family and friends after they improve. Subsequent up is assist. The Apple/Forrester examine says that each Mac saves $635 as a result of decreased deployment and assist prices. That is right down to the truth that Macs require much less work to assist, and due to this fact require fewer IT employees. You could have heard these friend of a friend tales. The place IT employees tried to stop Macs within the office as a result of it put them out of a job. And that seems to be true. In some instances a minimum of. We switched to Apple computer systems in 2012 or 2013 for my digital advertising company, Jay Berkowitz, founding father of the 10 Golden Guidelines Company, informed LifeWire through email. The Apple computer systems have been extraordinarily dependable. A number of fashions from 2015 and 2016 are nonetheless in use and work completely. We have now not had an IT useful resource for a few years and we now have saved hundreds of dollars on hardware, IT consultants' time, and most significantly misplaced work effectivity. And within the inventive sector, it's the opposite approach round. For musicians, Apple's Logic is likely one of the least expensive methods to get a music manufacturing suite. And within the films, closing lower professional is perhaps a requirement on your job. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.